If you want to charge your TOZO Crystal Pods, then what you can do is use the USB cable that is of course provided in the box. And in addition to that, you need to either connect it to your computer in order to charge the case, or you need to use a power adapter that you may, for instance, use for your phone. Now, keep in mind that one side of the cable is USB-A, so you need to have a power adapter that also has the USB-A input. Otherwise, of course, you won't be able to connect. Of course, you can also use pretty much the same cable that you use for charging your phone. So if you have, for instance, USB-C cable on both sides, on both ends, and you have USB-C input in your power adapter, then it works as well. So I'm gonna also show you how it looks like. I'm gonna use my cable over here that I have for my phone. It's pretty much the same. It is USB-C into USB-A, and I'm gonna plug into the power adapter. And there we go. As you can see, we have this dot over here in the middle that is glowing red, which means that they are now being charged. And this is how we can charge our Crystal Pods. Unfortunately, it doesn't support wireless charging, so you cannot use a wireless charger in order to charge your Crystal Pods. You need to use the USB cable and some sort of power adapter or something. But like I said, you can also connect them through the USB cable to your computer if you support USB-A or if you have USB-C cable. And by doing so, you should also be able to charge your pods actually. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.